Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki with Montana Crochet Creations. Today's tutorial is just a sample of this crochet blanket that I am working on. It is using the iris stitch. I love the detail in it. I love the way it turned out, and it works up really quickly. This blanket is worked in a chain of multiples of 4 plus 3 at the end. So I started with for this sample just a chain of 24, and then I did 3 more chain to equal 27. So you can do this in different colors, or just stick with one color like I'm doing right here. I'm going to make it into a baby blanket. I think it'll be really pretty. So in order to make this crochet blanket, you will need a few things here. We are using the Baby Bee, the Sweet Delight. I'm using the color Sandcastle. This is a light weight number 3 yarn here. And then I'm probably going to use about 4 skeins of this to create this crochet blanket here. For the iris stitch, I like using a 4mm crochet hook. I think it goes well with this weight of yarn and this stitch pattern here. You're also going to need a pair of craft scissors for clipping those yarn tails, and you will need a yarn needle for weaving your yarn end at the very end of your crochet blanket. So go ahead and grab all of your supplies that you're going to need for this, and we will get started on this crochet blanket. And that's just the beginning of this crochet blanket using the iris stitch. I think it turned out really cute. And like I said in the beginning, this would be really fun to make with a bunch of different colors. You can customize this for boy or girl. This was just a sample size for me that I was doing for you guys today, so that way I could share this blanket that I'm making for you. Yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, as I do try and post tutorials here every single week. If you really enjoy what I'm doing, please consider hitting that join button down below. That helps me purchase supplies to create projects just like this for you guys to do at home. I love you guys all so very much, and I will see you in my next video.